Alright, I found a spot for us for the night. We are here in Hietaniemi in the lake Louhivesi, and also found a crew member for myself for the night. Reeta is over there, and we're gonna go check out Otrasaari, which is, where is it? Over there. We're gonna go with the rowboat to check it out. I've been there earlier. It's one of the closest harbors. Can I say harbor? Probably yes. From our home docking, so it's a familiar place, but we're gonna go and check it out anyhow. Reeta hasn't been there earlier, so we're gonna check it. See you there. Okay, just kidding. There's a flock of ravens hanging on this island. There's at least 5 or 6 of them. Let's see if I can get them into the camera. Probably not, because I have only the wide angle lens with me. But yeah, they're big birds. There used to be a dock or a pier in this island, but now there's only 2 buoys or mooring balls where to attach with a bigger boat, and the beach where the pier used to be, you can anchor there. It's still a nice island, even though there's not a pier over here. Nice fireplace and toilet and some firewood over here. Not too much blueberries this year either. There wasn't much last year because it was so dry, and now it's been, well, I don't know what it's been, but there's no blueberries this year either. That over there is an old Finnish sketch show. That one. It's almost 11 o'clock in the evening and we came chasing for the sunset for just a little bit. There's a bit of reddish sky over there. And hopefully soon it will be more rare, more pretty, but we'll see. We found a little island and the seagulls don't seem to like that we came here, but well, what can you do? Well, we are already here.